If you have a property that is worth more than $150,000, this message is for you. My name is Attorney Johan Confidente, real estate lawyer in Punta Cana, and today I will be talking about the deadline to pay the property taxes. I would like to start by talking a little bit more about property taxes in the Dominican Republic. And the first thing I would like to mention is that property tax is 1% based on the registered value of the property, considering that the first $150,000 is tax-free. It means that if you have a property that is worth over $150,000, you will only pay the 1% based on the exceeding amount, on the difference, on the amounts above the 150. The first 150 is going to be tax-free. What happens if I have multiple property? I have two properties and both property is worth 150 each. It means that my first property will be property tax-free and I will have to pay 1% on my second property. Now, when do I pay my property taxes? Property taxes is due, the first part of the property taxes is due in March. March 11 is the deadline for you to pay the property taxes in the Dominican Republic. The second half of the property tax is due in September. Now, I highly recommend, if it's possible for you to make one payment in March, it will be way better for you, so you don't have to worry about other wire transfer, other procedures to come on and now pay your second half of the property taxes. My recommendation is just pay it in the month of March. You pay the full amount, the full money to cover your property taxes. Because if not, what happens if I forget? What happens if I don't make my payment on time? There will be consequences, there will be penalties, and the penalties are pretty high. The first month will be over 11%, and every other month is going to be over 4%. So I highly recommend that you pay your taxes with sufficient time to avoid penalties that will be applicable against your property. Now, what happens if you don't pay your property taxes at all? Then you will not be able to sell your property, to transfer your property eventually. So it's highly recommended that you make your tax payment on time. You might be telling yourself, hey, I've never paid property tax in the Dominican Republic and my property is worth over $150,000. If that is your case, I recommend you to get in contact with us. You can leave us your comments and questions and we will get back to you. See you soon.